Here's two carrier comfort units. Pristine condition logos. This is straight cool. What is this one? This one's actually a heat pump and has been running. (2008) 5-ton. Nope, this one's a heat pump. I just didn't see that before. (2008) 5-ton. Yeah, it's definitely been running. I filmed these in 2021, I think, but something happened to the video and I lost it. That happens pretty often with me. There's two Gemini package units down there. I'm not going to film those though, because they're not nearly as interesting as these, because these have tops that are in pretty much pristine condition. So anyways, thanks for watching.